Hey, you did a wonderful job on the video that you created for our class, as well as I'm hoping that you'll be able to use it for your students. It was super fun. You immediately caught my attention with the wonderful singing of your students in the classroom, and then the special effects were excellent and really kind of exciting to watch and certainly tied into what you were teaching. So that was excellent. You did a great job incorporating all of the elements that we were hoping to incorporate in our edited video, beginning with announcing what the learning objective is. It was very clear. We're going to be learning about the Korean alphabet, and I certainly did. It's really hard. And I really appreciated all the visuals that you included. Again, the special effects were really excellent, and you used them also again later when you were at the whiteboard, sounding and writing out the letters. The narration you gave was very clear, very easy to understand. I will say it dropped a little bit when it cut to you at the whiteboard, but that's probably because you were not close enough to the mic and you probably didn't have like a mic, that was held up next to you, but that's okay. I could still hear you. So that's fine. The music that you used was really fun at the beginning and the end, and the student singing was really appropriate and super fun to watch. And the transitions, you didn't really have any special effects in the transitions, but that's okay because going in and out of those scenes, it was very clear that you were making a switch to a new scene. So that was fine. You included, I think, some credits at the end, and you invited students to upload their own singing of the song to your class website. So that was really nice to kind of pull us back in and invite us to participate even further. And let's see, what else do I want to mention here? I think that was it. You really did a wonderful job. Oh, the timing was just great. So 5 minutes and 31 seconds. It was well done. And again, it was a great way that students could go back and look at the way you were writing them on the board if they wanted to. And then you had the special effects even superimposed to give us an even clearer idea. So really great job. Thank you, Hey. I hope you're able to use it with your own students, and I hope they had a lot of fun singing for you. Well done. Thank you.